Let's learn 5 track and field idioms, with meaning and examples. Firstly, a change of pace. This means that something is different from the normal. For example, I've started a decorating business. It's a change of pace from being a lawyer. Next is fall at the first hurdle. This means to fail at an early stage. For example, this is my first professional race. I hope I don't fall at the first hurdle. In for the high jump. This means you are likely to be punished because of something you did wrong. For example, I'm too late. I'm really in for the high jump when I get home. Race against time. This means to try to do something in a short amount of time. It's a race against time to clean the van before my dad sees it. And finally, toe the line. This means to follow the rules. Wear your hat, toe the line, or get out of my factory. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.